Are you truly enjoying your happiness or letting it pass by being scared? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Manifesting with Shiv Amod. On this channel we talk everything about law of assumption and practical ways to implement it in your daily life. Also, I have made few videos related to thought, mindset, past traumas, limiting beliefs. If you would like to watch them, I'll link them in the description box below. Now, let's get into today's video. One belief that you need to change ASAP. Most of us have heard this line while we were growing up. Be cautious of how much you're laughing. As much as you laugh, you'll have to cry afterwards. And this is the line which never let us enjoy to the fullest. Now, with experience, I can tell you, even in the moments when I wanted to have the most fun, this one thought of being cautious how much I'm laughing used to pop in my mind. And with this one thought, all my happiness used to vanish and it used to be replaced by fear and doubt. We all suffer from these negative thoughts now and then, which really hampers our life by not letting us live to the fullest. So what is the solution? The solution is we need to become our own therapist. When we learn about manifestation, it comes with a responsibility towards ourselves. The responsibility to not only manifest our desires, but to live a more authentic and fulfilled life. So now I want you guys to dig deep within yourself. Ask yourself, what are the few beliefs that you are entertaining every day which are making your life miserable? And you will find few beliefs that are making your life miserable on a daily basis. And what you can do, you can write them down and ask yourself why you are believing these thoughts again and again. Once you're aware with few beliefs which are making your life miserable, start noticing the triggering point. What are the points which are triggering those beliefs? And that will come through observation. Once you will start observing your actions. Now you know the belief, you know the trigger points. Whenever you are facing situations which are not so ideal, you can choose a different action which will help you to refine yourself and grow yourself. Manifestation is a process of unlearning your past beliefs so that you can refine yourself and become the new version of yourself with ease. Once you start digging deep within yourself, you will become more aware of your own old beliefs which are restricting you from living your fullest life. So dig deep and see what are the beliefs which are holding you back from living your life to the fullest. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one.